welcome back to my channel. Super excited to be here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box. I have it right here so you guys can see it. Is this big box. Okay, so if you've never heard of Stitch Fix, it's actually a clothing subscription where a stylist chooses 5 pieces of clothing or accessory for you based on your profile. So when you go to the app, it's called Stitch Fix. I can show you guys right here. I'll probably put it around here somewhere where you can see it. But this is basically the app where you go here and you have like a questionnaire where you put your size, your top, bottom size, your shoe size, and then you select things that you like to receive or things that you don't like, or like patterns. And little by little, they'll start getting to know you, your profile. So like that, they send you more or less what's the best thing for you, for yourself, for your style. Also input your weight, your measures, everything. So you basically put in all the information there, and the stylist start looking for items to send you in a box. Well, they also have like little daily shuffle where they show you different like styles, and you put thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like those sort of things. So like that, they get to know you even more. It's really cool. I've tried it before, but I took a break, and then now I got it again to see if I get something new in my closet. The trick is that when they send you the box, you get to choose your items. So you first try them on. If you like it, you purchase it. If you don't, you send it back. But it is like a $20 monthly fee. But if you stay with the items, that amount gets deducted as a discount from your total of items. So also if you get like more than 5 items, I think you get also 25% if I'm not wrong. But either way, we're gonna open the box and see what I got, and I'll show you like the card and everything, how it comes. And something else that they do is they have the option for you to choose more than 5 items. So for example, I chose to receive 8 items, and when the stylist is working with you, they send you like a preview of like 8 items, and from those items you choose what you want. If you don't want anything, they choose everything for you. Like if you don't select any of the items they showed you, then they'll select everything. So for this one, I think I selected like 2 items. So that's why I know, I think more or less 2 of those items, and then the rest they selected for me. One other thing, they're gonna send you like the same stylist unless you want to change. They'll tell you, do you want to keep your stylist or change it? I've actually kept my stylist for like the longest since I started doing Stitch Fix. I think I started last year, and I got around like 4 to 5 boxes, I'm not sure. I really liked it. And something that's really cool also, they have for like the whole family. They have for men, not only women. They have for kids. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by them whatsoever. I just really like subscription boxes, especially like clothing. I just thought that was pretty cool. So, oh, and one important thing is that you choose the time frame that you get the boxes. For example, you could choose every 3 weeks, every month, every 3 months, or like you could just pause it and then restart it again. Either way, I'm gonna put in the description everything more detail. And also I will put like a little clips of the website so you guys can see more or less how it works. I actually chose the theme of date night. So right now, something new that they have is that they have different themes of of items you would like to receive, like date night, outfits for comfort, for activity. They have a lot of options now than like a few months ago that I stopped doing it. So they're always like renovating and making like the app better for people. I know there's like a lot of clothing subscriptions out there, and I'll probably see if I could try others as well. If you guys are interested in that, and that's a video you would like to see, just let me know, comment below, let me know. And there was one subscription before that I wanted to try it, I never tried, and it was for petite woman. So I might try that in the future. Let's see how this goes, because I do want to try and see like other stylists based on like my height. Okay, so let's get started. Enough talking, and I'm just super excited. I haven't opened the box, so I don't know what they sent me besides the 2 pieces that I mentioned before. So let's see. First thing we got here are like some papers, which are the descriptions of, let me show you. First, this one says, thanks for letting us style you. And in here, it's a little message from my stylist, you can see here, and they have all the items. I selected 8 items, so all of them are here. It describes, you know, the color, the size, how much each of them cost. The total here, minus a discount of 25% if you buy 5 or more items. So I just think that's pretty cool. And I'm not gonna go over the price right now. We're gonna do that at the end when I try on the clothes and everything. And I'll decide which one I'll stay with and which one I'm not. And this is the bag that it comes already with the label and everything. So whatever you don't want, you put in here and return it to USPS. But now they say that they have more options, so I have to check that out. And then this is just like a, I guess, a coupon for Staples. Okay. All right, let's see what I have here. Okay, so the first thing I see, everything comes really nicely wrapped like this. As you can see, this is like all the pieces of clothing are here. And then on the bottom, I see that they sent me 2 pairs of shoes because they come like these. These bags are super handy for like when we're traveling and we want to put, you know, our shoes. And usually I put my shoes on the bottom of my luggages every time I travel, and I put them like in plastic bags, or if I have some type of bags, I could put it. So these bags are handy for that. So I like that. So it looks like they gave me two pairs of shoes and these items of clothing. And it looks so nice that I almost don't want to open it, you know, like everything's so nicely wrapped. But okay, let's start. First thing is this blouse. It looks really cute. I like the brown, the polka dots. I know like it's I know there's people using that trend now, like polka dots, and I like it. Here's one thing. So with my sizes, I'm a little bit complicated. I most of the time I use small, but also a lot of the times I use medium. So for this box, I selected medium because I don't want the things to be so like fitted on me. I like more of like loose style. But when it comes to the top, I'm not sure. So we're gonna have to see if this fits. Then is this, oh my God, this looks really big. Like really, really big. Wow, okay. I like the style. This is a nice top. I like the style. It's like a little bit like, I don't know, like slanted. It looks really nice. I just think it's gonna be huge on me. Like it literally looks huge. So, okay, next thing is this dress. I really like the color. I really, really like brown. This is one of like my favorite colors. So I like the dress. It's kind of like, I think it's the same brand as this one, this blouse, and it's the same style as in like a little bit slanted, like the shoulders are slanted. So I think it's really nice. I like it. Let's just see how it fits. All right, next thing is this top. I'm not sure about it, but it's one of these long sleeves, like almost like essentials, but I do have something similar like this in my closet. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay with this. Okay, next are these pairs of jeans. I like that it's not like skinny jeans. I'm not using like, I don't like any type of like skinny jeans, so that's something that I put. Or I don't want nothing like ripped. I did put that in my profile. And yeah, I think it's cute. Let's see. It looks nice. I like a black pair of jeans. Okay, so they sent me another black pair of jeans. Well, the other ones are like kind of like grayish black, and this one it's a different style. This one, it's like a wide leg. I like this one too. Let's see. So next, let's see what's in this blue bag. Ooh, I like these shoes. So it is gonna match with the brown dress, but I do think, like looking at my closet now, I do think I have something like really similar to these shoes. But it's really nice. I like the material, but yeah, I definitely have something like almost the same as it. So that's something I'm not happy about. All right, and the next one, which is this gray one. Okay, these boots. Something different. Definitely I don't have any of these type of like boots here in my closet, so this is definitely something new, and I will have to see how I would style it. So that's something else, that sometimes they send like things that are like maybe trendy or things that are different for you to try and change your style. But like I said, they send 8 items, and the total of all of this is $467.94. So if you stay with 5 items, which the discount is 25%, it takes away $116.99, and then the total will be $350.95. The shipping is free, but it is a lot of money. Like, it's a lot of money. I mean, it's 8 items, but there are some items that are really expensive. Like the boots are like $80. I will be trying it out. All right, so this is the first item. It is the 9 Britain floor low back knit top. Hope you can see it there. And it is $31.97. Honestly, I don't know. I'm a bit confused about it. Like, I like it. I had to put it inside because it's a bit big. I like it. It's super comfortable. The material, I like the materials, and I just think it's a bit stretchy, and it does look kind of big. Like, I had to put it inside. I couldn't put it like outside of my jeans. I do like, you know, the back looks nice, but I think I'm going to have to pass on this one. The price is not that bad, you know, plus with the discount and everything, but this is probably going to be a no. All right, so here's the other shirt. I really like the style and the color. I think it's super nice, and it's something different that I'm used to. Like, the color is definitely different from like my closet. You can see like I'll have all kind of like neutral tones, barely have any like bright colors. So this is definitely something new, and I really like the style of the shoulder. This is really cute, but I do feel it's like super big on me. The brand of this shirt is called The Comment, and this one is actually $19.97, so the price is really good. Like, for what it is, it's really good. I see the material like super soft. It has the material of like a t-shirt, so it's not bad. I mean, I really like it, and the color and everything, it's nice, but I do feel it's a little bit big on me, so I think this one is probably gonna be a no. Yeah, I feel bad though. Like, I like it, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? So let me know below. This is the other shirt or blouse. So it's from the brand 9 Britain, and it's actually $39. So I think it's a bit expensive for what it is, but it's actually cute. I like it, but I just don't like it for me. Like, for my style, I don't really like it. It's kind of like that, it's kind of sweet. It's definitely different from what I used to, but it's not something that I like for myself, like how it looks on me. So I think I'm gonna have to pass. So next is this dress. I hope you guys can see it there. I like it. It's a fitted dress. It's really cute. It's and I love the color brown. Like, that's one of my favorite colors to wear. Okay, so this is actually $55, this dress. I like it. It's pretty cute. I mean, I don't know if it's something that it's like modern, like right now, maybe with like a jacket or something. And then I have the shoes on, $60. All right, next it's the white leg pants, the black ones. I'm not sure if you guys could see it there. I have to go all the way over here. They're super cute, not gonna lie. They're very stretchy, and I did get like a size 6. I'm usually a 4, but I do like it to be a little bit like loose. One thing that I don't like is that they're really like short. They're short legs. I like them to be longer. Even though I'm short, I like them to be longer. Maybe with some heels it will look cute. I'm not sure. So let's just see how much these wide leg jeans are, and they are $104. So they're pretty expensive jeans. They do feel like really stretchy material. All right, so this is the other item I received, which are the jeans. These are the gray wash off jeans. It's from the brand called Studio Blue, and it's the mid-rise bootcut jeans, and they're $78. So yeah, they fit good. I mean, they're stretchy. I like the material, how it feels, just the same as the other jeans that I tried on. However, I don't like the color. Like, I don't like these wash off, and then the kind of like the style. I don't like it anymore. Like this style, I don't use it anymore, so there's something I don't like either. And I only have left the boots. The last thing that I got is the boots, which I don't know if you guys can see it there. I'll bring the camera here so you see it now. But they're $80, so they're pretty expensive. I really do like them though, like they're really comfortable. I would just need to know how to pair them right. So that's just something I need to know. But this is definitely something that I guess I would like, especially now that fall is coming soon, right around the corner. But yeah, that's it. That's it for everything I got. I would either put a little clip or a little picture of the item I got with the correct price and the name if you guys like it, so you could check it out on their website. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked everything. Comment below what you think I should have kept or what you think that I did correct by taking out. So I think this box was a total fail for me. I didn't like most of the items. Some items I did like, but they're too big, or others it's just not my style right now, and I don't think I'm gonna get something just to get it. Plus it's a lot of money. Like I said, it was like $350 the whole box. The only thing that I did like and it fit perfectly are the boots, which are really, really cute. I'm wearing them now and they're very comfortable. And like I said, it's gonna be perfect now for the fall. So I should, like, maybe I'm gonna get it. I think it was $80. So I won't get the discount, but I'm only gonna spend on one item. So that makes sense. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna continue receiving these boxes, like if I'm gonna continue paying for it. And the good thing is I didn't pay for this box because since I skipped like a bunch of months, they told me to go back and they will get it for free without me paying the $20. And so yeah, that's a plus. So I could just send it and just stay with, you know, whatever I like. And something that I did wrong was change my size. So I went up to medium, from small to medium, and there's certain things that run too big. So I just think that messed me up completely. And I'm so mad at myself because there are stuff that I like the shirts. The green shirt I really like, and I just think it's really big. Like maybe I could use it, but for that money I don't think I am. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. Comment below if you like anything, and let me know what other videos you want me to do, or if you want me to try out another subscription box, let me know in the comments. And please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye.